Good morning everyone. In this video we're going to look at the prior knowledge of chapter 8, and to do so we're going to look at a couple of examples that are basically stolen from chapter 6 and before that chapter 4 or 3 I think. If you want you can already try these and then check if you did them correctly. If you have like no idea then it's best to watch, but hopefully you do have some idea with most of these. For the first one, we're multiplying things with letters. First you have to multiply the numbers, so minus 4 times 3, that's minus 12, and then write down the letters after. But if there is no letter after here, does it change? Not really. You're starting with multiplying the numbers first, so 3 times minus 7, that's minus 21. And write down the letter, not letters, because there's only one. But what if the two letters are the same? Well, for the numbers, nothing really changes. And for the letters, it's like x times x, which is x squared, not xy, or xx. Also not xxx, as one of you at least is somewhat a fan of, I think, or at least it's in his team's picture. So keep in mind that whenever you have the same letter twice and you multiply, then you have x squared. In this case, we have 28ab, and we have to think of, for a times something is the 28ab. So what do we need to get 28? We have to multiply 4 with 7. So we definitely need a 7. Which letter do we need? Well, we already have an a, so we just need a b. For this one, almost the same as we did over there. For the numbers you have 2 times 8, because 2 times 8 is 16. We want to have x squared. Remember, x times x was x squared, so we have to add x as well. So 2x times 8x is 16 squared. What if we have 3 parts in our small expression? Well, minus f is basically minus 1. So we have to look at the numbers first. 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times minus 1 is minus 8, and then we just write down the letters D, E, F, X1. In this case, we have to keep in mind that sometimes these things are not possible, but then something has to be, these letters should not be equal. So in this case you can see this as 4 apples and 5 apples together. Give you 9 apples. In this case it's a minus 8a. You can subtract 2a, so you basically have a deficit of 7 apples. It's like you have an apple, you have to give someone 8 apples, so that means you are lacking 7 apples. In this case it's like 2 apples plus 3 bananas, and then you can't add those things together because those are not the same kind of fruit. You could say that you have 5 pieces of fruit, but 2a plus 3b is not 5f or something. So whenever you do it, whenever you cannot simplify it, you just say it's no answer. Not possible to simplify it. Over here, 2ab plus 3ab, well, these things are the same. ab is the same as ab, so that's just 5ab. In this case you have to watch out because there are different letters, so we're going to group them first. So a and 2a, 3b and 4b. Why are we doing this? Because we can only add the things which letters. So 2a plus a is 3a, 3b plus 4b is 7b. And the last one, if minus 3y plus y, 2x, so keep in mind that the minus basically belongs to the thing after it. So first for the x's we have 2x minus 4x is minus 2x. Minus 3y plus 1y is minus 2y as well. So hopefully this will help you with the exercise in your prior knowledge. And if you have any questions, just let me know.